Hello everyone! Last game natin to ng Barangay Summer League, Barangay Bandingan. Senior A Division tayo. Bullets kontra Brothers. Ay, magbabakbakan na, kampiyan na. Showtime! Wala lang. Bullets. Number 24, Escalona. What a side step, may foul! Basket and one. And one kay Escalona. Unang basket yan sa Team Bullets Senior A Division. Bonus shot is good, Escalona. Score natin 3-0. And the first quarter kontra Brotherhood. 9 minutes and 45 seconds. And the first quarter. Still Lubaton to number 24. Si Season. No good. Score natin 3-0 to number 1. Banag. Ano ang gagawin ng brother? Wala pass. Number 1 is still to number 15 Season. To Escalona. No. Escalona pa rin. Turnover. Sayang yun. Sa Team Bullets. Score natin 3-0. Favor of Team Bullets. Kontra Brothers. Number 11 running shot. No. Number 24 Escalona to Season. Fake shot is good. 5-0 lang ang ginawa dito ng Team Bullets. And the first quarter, 8 minutes and 45. Ano ang gagawin dito ng brother? Senior A Division. Last game natin to. Running shot. No. Wala pa rin sa Team Brothers. Escalona. Escalona. Wala fake. Season. No. Oras natin 8 minutes and 20. Ayun na first quarter. Score natin 5-0. Hindi pa nakakabutas ang brother kontra Team Bullets. Quarter 3. No. Rebound number 5. Reyes to number 24. Escalona. Dalawa kalaban niya dito. One side step. May foul. Basket and one. Si Escalona pa lang ang nakakabasket dito. At saka si Season ay na first quarter 7-0. Basket is good. 8-0 score natin. 8-0 rin ang ginawa dito ng Team Bullets in the first quarter. 7 minutes and 49. Number 12 to number 10. Quarter 3. No. Number 24 Escalona to number 15, Season. It's good. 12-0. Hindi pa nakakabutas ang Team Brother Senior A Division. Last game na natin to ng Senior A Division. Basket is good. Lang case ko nakabutas na ang Brothers. 10-2 score natin. Reyes. Stop and pop. Quarter 3, no. Rebound number 13. Power move. Blue baton. Basket is good. 12-10 score natin. Naghahabol ang Brothers. 12-2. And the first quarter. Quarter 3. No, in and out. Rebound number 20. Reyes. To number 15. Season coast to coast. Manaside step. It's good. Score natin 14-2. 12 ang kalamangan dito ng Team Bullets in the first quarter. Still tumatakbo ang Team Bullets to number 15 Season. Back to back basket yan kay number 15 Season. 16-2. 14 kaagad ang kalamangan dito ng Team Bullets Senior A Division. Quarter 3. No. Number 15 to Escalona. Maganda ang takbuhan na Team Bullets. 18-2. Matamis na di sa isang kalamangan ng Team Bullets in the first quarter. 18-2, 5 minutes and 44. Number 1, no. To number 15, Season. Basket is good. 22-18. Ang kalamangan ng Team Bullets Senior A Division. Last game na natin to mga idol. 5 minutes and 20. Number 11, running shot. Low. Escalona. 2-1 na labanan. Escalona to Season. Basket is good. Grabe yung lamang dito ng Team Bullets. 22-2. 20 ang kalamangan ng Team Bullets. Grabe yung gising ngayong Wednesday. Ngayong last game na natin to ng Senior A Division. Maganda ang gising ng Team Bullets ngayong Wednesday. Ayun, nagdalan nga tayo dito sa Barangay Batingan Summer League. Last game na to ng Senior A Division. 5 minutes and 5 seconds and the first quarter. Umaarangkada na ang Team Bullets. And the first quarter, 22-2. Dadalaw pa lang ang score dito ng Brothers. Official score, 22-2. Ano ang gagawin dito ng Brothers in the first quarter? Number 7. To number 28. To number 7. 4 minutes and 45. Quarter 3. Number 17. No. Pass to number 2. Sinyodosa. Nasayo. No good. Shoutout kay Michael Arago ng SBL. Ang samang Team Papawe still. Number 2. Sinyodosa. No. Put back. It's good. 24-2. Maagang tambak ang ginawa dito ng Team Bullets kontra Brothers. 4 minutes and 5 seconds in the first quarter. Number 1, back. Shoutout kay Ate Susan Galida. Number 1. Ano ang gagawin ng Brothers? Wala. Pasa pala. Still, number 12. Number 8. Lubaton. 24-2. Grabing gising ang Bullets. Del Prado, unang tira. No. Rebound, number 12. No. Number 11. Power rebound. Put back. No good. Rebound, number 2. Sinyodosa. Jumble. Oras natin, 3 minutes and 18 seconds. And the first quarter, 24-2. Dadalawa pa lang ang score ng Brothers. Number 17. To number 1. Wala pass. To number 1. Bag. No. To number 11. Wala pass. Senyidosa. Good. To number 11. Nazario. 26-2. Binauna sa 24. Ang kalamangan dito ng Team Bullets. Maaga pa lang, first quarter. 24 na ang kalamangan ng Team Bullets. 2 minutes and 29. And the first quarter, 14 seconds to shoot. Number 17. Still. Number 2. Senyodosa. Back-to-back basket. Senyodosa. (28-2). Turnover pa dahil tumama. Hindi pala, simple pala sa kanila pa. 28-2. Score natin. 1 minute, oras natin, 1 minute and 54 seconds. Number 42, yan na ba? No! Number 11, tumatakbo, Nazario. Number 11, coast to coast. Good. 30, 32, 28. Nag-iisang buwan na ang kalamangan. Running shot of the glass. Good. Del Prado, 34, 26 ang kalamangan ng Team Bullets. To Sinyadosa. Number 2, Sinyadosa. Malit sa step. May foul. Ay, last game na natin to ng Senior A Division. Sino ang makakakuha ng unang panalo ngayong Wednesday? Ayun, live na live nga tayo dito. Sinyadosa is good. Atid sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na. Sinyadosa good. One minute and 4 seconds. 32-4. Number 7, for the 3. No. Number 10. Wala pa rin. Number 8, Lubaton. 35 seconds. And the first quarter. Wala pass. Nazario. Good. 34. 4. Number 11. Wala pa rin sa Brothers. Grabe naman yung ring dito sa Brothers. Hindi makontrol. Del Prado for the 3. No. Rebound number 2. Sinyadosa. 34-4. Isang buwan na ang kalamangan. Wala nang oras. Ay na first quarter. 34-4. Grabe kagad yun lamang dito ng Team Bullets. Binaon sa isang buwan. Senior A Division. 34-4 kontra Brothers. Ayun, shoutout muna sa Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na. Ayun, shoutout kay Boss Glenn, ano rin. Boss G-Boy, ano rin. Cap, Gili, ano rin. Ayun, huwag niyong kalimutan i-follow si Wong TV. Ayun, balik action tayo. Second quarter, 34-4. 30 ang kalamangan dito ng Team Bullets Senior A Division. Second quarter pa lang tayo. Grabe na kagad ang kalamangan dito ng Team Bullets kontra Brothers. Second quarter. So number 10. Still. Number 7. Ano ang gagawin ng Brothers? Pull up jumper. Good. Espiritu. To number 24. Escalona. Basket is good. 36-4. 32 ang kalamangan ng Team Bullets Senior A Division. Still. Escalona. May foul. Oras natin, 9 minutes and 23 seconds. And a second quarter, 36-34. Number 16, Silayan. To number 4. Binili kay Silayan. Escalona, what a pick. What a shot. No. Number 1. What a pass. Number 10, it's good. Score natin 36-6. 30 ang kalamangan ng Bullets. Escalona, stop and pop. Number 7, 8 minutes and 40 in the second quarter. 36-6. Quarter 3, airball. Espiritu, binalik kay number 16. Si Lion. Score! Nakabutas na sa second quarter. 38-6. Banag, number 1. Foul! May paro-paro sa gitna ng ring ng court ay mga idol. May paro-paro. Buti hindi nakapakal. Ayun, second quarter, 38-6 mga idol. Second quarter, Pintisan, Espiritu, number 7. To Escalona, coast to coast, fake, up and under, is good! Escalona, grabe naman yun. 10 bullets dito. 46-24 ang kalamangan nila mga idol. Quarter 3. Ang 24. Malaki pala ang kalamangan. 46. Escalona, coast to coast. Rep. Bayan siya na, umayang si Rep mga idol. 46. Number 10, yan na ba? No. Rebound, Espiritu. The number 16. Si Lion, coast to coast. Oh! Number 4. No, putback. It's good. I-score natin, 42-6. Binaw na ang Brothers. And the second quarter, Espiritu to number 16. Stop and pop. Si Lion. No. Escalona to si Lion is goal. 44-6 ang score natin. Aanim pa lang na ipupuntos ng Brothers and the second quarter pa lang. 6 minutes and 31. 44-6. Still, Escalona is still may foul. Timeout. 44-6 ang score natin. Grabe yung gising ng Team Bullets. And back to the ball game, second quarter. 6 minutes and 20. 44-6. Bola pala ng Brothers. Senior A Division, mga idol. Last game na natin to ng Barangay Summer League 2025. Pangatlong game pa lang natin to. Pang-apat ito. Last game na to, mga idol. Rebound number 4. To number 24. Escalona. Espiritu. It's good. Shoutout kay Boss Alpi. Baka naman. No. Rebound number 7. Espiritu to Escalona. Escalona up and under. It's good. 48-6 ang score natin. And a second quarter. Number 1 bag. Didiscarte. May foul. Time out. 48-6 ang score natin. And a second quarter, 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Official score, 48-6. Nakaka-6 na puntos pa lang ang Brothers Senior A Division. Ayun, natin sa inyo ng switch fiber. Pag switch ka na, no. Number 1, pangalawang tira, bag. 5 minutes and 25, basket is good. 48-7. Number 15 season, Torreyes, no. 5 minutes and 5 seconds. And a second quarter, 48-7. Ano ang gagawin ng Brothers? Still, Lubaton to Del Prado. Del Prado, what a zigzag! No! Na-injury pa yata si Idol Del Prado. Tumama sa sahig. Official score, 48-7 mga idol. Oras natin, 4 minutes and 45 seconds. 48-7. 7 puntos pa lang ang Brothers mga idol. Kontra Team Bullets, 48-7. Official score natin. 4 minutes and 45, second quarter. May injury yata si Idol Jomel Del Prado, mga idol. Natuod yata. Back to the ball game. Balik action tayo. 48-7 score natin. And a second quarter, 4 minutes and 45. Shoutout kay Boss Kenneth Matubang, baka naman. 48-7 score natin. Senior A Division. Number 7 to number 20. Reyes. To Reyes for the 3. No good. Tumatakbo ang Brothers. 2 and 3. Bag. Good. Number 1. Espiritu. Number 7. Wala pass. Basket is good. Espiritu. Lubaton. Nakakita pa sa ilalim mga idol. 59. Binauna sa limot ang Brothers. Number 1. Baguli ka. Shoutout kay Adolot. Shoutout sa MDC. Number 5, Reyes. What a shot! Basket is good. Reyes to Reyes. Grabe naman yung magpinsan mga idol. O mag-utol. For the 3, no. Number 5, Reyes. 52-9 season. Same ball. Ayaw, shoutout sa MDC. Number Lubaton to Reyes. Basket is good. Magandang gising dito ng Team Bullets. Kontra Brothers Senior A Division. 54-9 score natin. 3 minutes and 14. Back for the 3. Wala pa rin. Still number 15 season. What a zigzag. It's good. Shoutout sa Triple MDC. Ayun, naghahanap ako ng pang-extray. Dito lang yan sa Barangay Kalumpang mga idol. Matatagpuan yan. Malapit sa IC City. 43, number 12. Rebound, number 13. Lubaton. Number 1 bag. To number 12. Stepping up the line. 56-9. Malaki-laki pa rin ang kalamangan ng Team Bullet season. No. Rebound number 15. Reyes. Number 15. Reyes. No. Wala pa rin. 56-9. Score natin. 2 minutes and 10 seconds and second quarter. Quarter 3. Stop and pop. No. Ayaw talaga pumasok. Number 15. Season. Umupo pa sa ere. Is good. Number 1. Bag. Stop and pop. Stand down. No. Score natin 58-9. Nangangamoy panalo na dito ang Bullets. Number 20 Reyes, wala pass. Number 7 Espiritu, no. 1 minute and 25 seconds second quarter. 58-9. Number 11 may foul. Shoutout kay Idol Benok Anyain ng UAYC. Unang tira, no. 58-9. 9 pa lang ay score ng Brothers Senior A Division. No. Tatlong tira yan, Idol. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Last game na natin to ng Senior A Division. Ang Barangay Summer League. Atin sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na. So number 10. 1 minute exactly. In the second quarter. 58-9. Quarter 3. Air ball. Number 15. Season number 15. Binali pa. Number 10. Quarter 3. Ano ba? Wala pa rin. 35 seconds. In the second quarter. Reyes to Season is good. 62-9. Score natin second quarter. 20 seconds. Airball. Official score. 62-9 mga idol. Lamang ba rin ang Bullets kontra Brothers. Last shot na sa Team Bullets. And the second quarter. 10 seconds. Season. Pull-up jumper. Favorite shot. No. 2 seconds. Ayun, second half tayo. Official score, 62-9 mga idol. Nagkahabol na malaki ang Brothers third quarter. Third quarter na tayo. 62-9. Atin sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na. Ayun, naghahanap ba kayo ng pastil? Kaswak sa budget? Dito lang yan kay Nindin Vlogs. Nindin Vlogs, baka naman. Atin sa inyo na Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na. Ayun, shoutout sa Grand Basketball Indoor Commercial. Sabado, live tayo dyan mga idol. Game 1 ng Cola Spring Shop kontra Lucky Simon. Susundan ng Run and Gun Taytay kontra Project Same. Magandang bakbakan yan sa Binangonan Plaza mga idol. And third quarter tayo, 62-9. Malaki pa rin. Triple ang kalamangan dito ng Bullets kontra Brothers Senior A Division. Ayun, third quarter na tayo. Last game na natin to ng Senior A Division. Makbakan na ulit. Balik action tayo. Hinihintay lang ang oras dito mga idol. Third quarter, 62-9. Anong oras na rin kasi mga idol? 9:52 na ng gabi mga idol. Ayun, ingat kayo kung maulan. Ingat kayo, madulas ang daan. Final quarter, third quarter. Number 12, number 72. Traveling violation. Nine minutes and 51. 62-9 mga idol. Number 1 bag. Number 10. Ano ang gagawin ng Brothers? 3 points! Basket yun mga idol. Score natin, 62-12. 50 ang kalamangan. Pull-up jumper. 15-footer, no! Still, number 2, Sinyodosa. 62-12. Nazario, wala pass to Sinyodosa. Escalona to number 72. Running shot. It's good. Oras natin, 9 minutes exactly. And the third quarter. 64-12. 52 ang kalamangan dito ng Team Bullets kontra Brothers. Pull up J, no. Rebound number 3. Off the glass. Good. 64-14. 8 minutes and 35. And the third quarter. Stepping up the line. 10 over sa Team Bullets. 8 minutes and 32 seconds. And the third quarter. 64-14. And the third quarter. 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Pull up jumper is good. 64-16. Malaki-laki pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Team Bullets. Sinyodosa. So, number 11. Nazario, dumulas yung bola. Back-to-back 10 over sa Team Bullets. So, number 7. Running shot off the glass. So, Escalona. Escalona. 3 on 3. So, number 11. Escalona. Pinali po, Escalona. Still, Escalona, pinonder, is good. Grabe naman yung mga bali yun ni Kuya Jabel Escalona. Number 1 bag, may foul. 68-16. 7 minutes and 19 seconds. For the free. Number 11. Tumatakbo ang Bullets. Nazario to number 4. No. Number 42. Stop and pop. Rebound number 72. Escalona. 68-16. Still. Number 2. Sinyodosa. Pinali po. Put up. It's good. 70-16. Grabe yung lamang dito ng Team Bullets kontra Brothers Senior A Division. Pull-up jumper. No. Official score 70-16. Number 2, Sinyodosa. To number 11, Nazario off the glass. No good. Put up. It's good. 72-16. 10 over sa Brothers. (72-16) Sinyodosa. Huli. Same ball. (72-16) in the third quarter. 5 minutes and 55. In the third quarter, 72-16. Hinihintay na lang ang oras ngayong gabi. Live na live nga tayo ngayon. Wednesday. Nako play. No. Put back no. Baton. Wala pa rin. 5 minutes and 25. And the third quarter, number 11. Ano ang gagawin ng Brothers? 72-16. Number 7. No! Number 5. Reyes. Tatlo kalaban nyo dito. Pull up, jumper. Reyes, no! Na kaninang bola? Same ball. 5 minutes exactly. And the third quarter. Nakaw play, number 20, no good. Rebound number 1, bag. 2 and 1 na labanan. Number 1. Number 10, no. Number 1, running shot. 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Si Lion, 72-16. Reyes for the 3. Bang! $75-16. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. 75-16. Score natin. 4 minutes. Oras, 4 minutes exactly. Number 5, Reyes. To number 16, Lion. 75-16, Lion. Para crossover. To number 5, to Reyes. 3 seconds. Three minutes and 35 seconds. And the third quarter. 75-16. Number 1, bag. To number 10, for the 3. Yan na ba? No. To number 5, Reyes, stop and pop for the 3. No. Score natin 75-16. Number 1, bag. No. Rebound number 16, Lion. To number 5, Reyes. To number 20, Reyes to Reyes. No, put back Reyes, no. Wala pa rin. Number 5, rebound. 2 minutes and 45, Reyes. 75-16. Stop and pop. Number 11, score. 75-18. Score natin. Number 13, Jake. To number 5, Reyes. Good. 77-18. Number 7, running shot. Short. Paso number 5. To Lion. 2 and 1. Lion. To number 5. Binalik kay Lion. It's good. 77-18 ang score natin. Banag for the 3. No. Number 20, Reyes. Reyes, good. 81-18. Baliktaran ang score natin. 81-18. 1 minute and 29. And the third quarter pull-up jumper. Scored! Number 20, Reyes. To number 5 for the 3. 81-20. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Number 7 of the glass, no. To number 5, Reyes. Tatlo kalaban. Number 5, no. Same ball. 57 seconds. 81-20. Number 13, Lubaton. Lubaton, no. Put back, Lubaton. Jake. Lubaton. 32 seconds, third quarter. Back to number 10 for the 3. Yan na ba? Yan pa rin. 83-20. 20 seconds and a third quarter. Number 10, pull-up jumper, no. 10 seconds. Bags, good. 83-22. And a third quarter, 83-22. Final quarter na tayo, fourth quarter. Grabe yung lamang dito ng Team Bullets kontra Brother. Senior A Division, last game na nito ng Barangay Summer League, ang Barangay Batingan. And pang last game natin to. Atid sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na. Ay, huwag nyo kalimutan i-follow si Wong TV at pa-heart react naman. Maraming salamat, idol. Ayun, naghahanap ba kayo ng pastil na swak sa budget? Dito lang yan kay Nindim Vlogs. Nindim Vlogs, baka naman. Ayun, big shoutout sa Rag Basketball Intercommercial. Ay, live tayo dyan sa next Saturday. Alas 6. Magandaan na kayo mga idol. Ayun, official score 83-22. Final quarter na tayo, fourth quarter. Naghihintay na lang ang oras dito. Ang Bullets. Shoutout kay Idol Toto Espiritu. 83-22. Final quarter na tayo, fourth quarter. Senior A Division. Team Bullets kontra Team Brothers. Back to the ball game. Fourth quarter, 83-22. Number 10. Yan na ba? Wala pa rin sa Brothers. To number 5, Reyes. Number 5 to Sinyedosa. Huli ka! Number 1 bag. Number 1 scored. 83-24. 9 minutes and 29 rep. Number 4 is good. 85-24. 9 minutes and 14 seconds in the fourth quarter. Number 17 for the 3. No. Number 7 Espiritu to Sinyedosa. 4-1. Sinyedosa is good. 87-24 in the fourth quarter. Eight minutes and 45 in the fourth quarter. Senior A Division. Number 17 to number 10. 87-24. Reyes. Wala pa. Sinyedosa. 89-24 in the fourth quarter. 8 minutes and 15. 10 over sa Brothers. 89-24. Number 5. Seven minutes and 45. 89-24. Stop and pop for the 3. Rebound number 2, Sinyedosa. Number 5, Reyes. To Sinyedosa. 91-24. Naghihintay na lang ang oras dito. Ang Team Bullets kontra Brothers. No. Number 1. Wala pa rin. Number 11, Nazario to Sinyo Dosa. To number 5, pinalik kay Nazario. No. Put back, Nazario. Wala pa rin. Number 5. No. Nazario. Walang 3 seconds. 93-24. Ang score natin. Number 2, Sinyo Dosa, wala pass. Espiritu, no. Espiritu, number 4. Mia. 95-24. Flip. Number 1, bag. For the 3. Air ball. 95-24. 6 minutes and 5 seconds. And the final quarter, fourth quarter, Senior A Division. Ay, live na live nga tayo dito. Sa Barangay Batingan, Nazario. Still. Number 5, Reyes. Reyes, stop and pop for the 3. No, rebound pa rin. Number 4, off the glass. It's good. 97-24. And the fourth quarter. 5 minutes and 20. Airball doon kay number 3. Sinyo Dosa. Stop and pop. No. Rebound number 5. To number 2. To Nazario. Power move. It's good. Timeout. Brothers. 99. 99-24. Pinauna ang Brothers dito ng Team Bullets. 99-24. 4 minutes. and 59 seconds. Ay na final quarter, fourth quarter. Senior A Division. Natin sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na. 99-24. Abante pa rin na malaki. Ang Team Bullets kontra Team Brothers. Four minutes and 50. Number 1, Bag. Bag for the 3. Air ball. Put back. It's good. 99-26. Season. Stop and pop. Bam! 102-26. Number 10. Running shot. No. Put back number 1 is good. 102-28 score natin. Number 15. Side step. Season. It's good. Back-to-back basket yan. Kay Season, 104-28. 4 minutes inside, fourth quarter. 4 down. Eric Season, number 15, step back. No. 104-28. Score natin. Malaki-laki pa rin ang kalamangan ng Team Bullets. 3 minutes and 39. Number 16, Silayan. Stop and pop. No. 3 minutes and 20. And the fourth quarter. Bag. Up and under is good. 104-30. Official score, 104-30. Kaantay na lang ng oras ang Team Bullets. Si Lion to Season is good. Number 1 to number 10. No, put back. 106-30. Grabe yung kalamangan dito ng Team Bullets kontra Team Brothers Senior A Division. Number 11, pull-up jumper. Nasalyo is good. 108-30. Number 1, bag. No good. 108-30. 2 minutes and 20. And the fourth quarter, Eric Season, number 15 of the glass. Shoutout sa family Season. 110-30. Number 7, running shot. No. Bag, number 1. Still, number 20, Reyes. Si Lion for down. No. 110-30. Score natin. Last 2 minutes, atin sa inyo ng switch fiber. Nag-switch ka na. Nazario. Stop and pump for the 3. Put back number 20. Number 16. Si Lion. Step back. Bang! 113-30. 1 minute and 20. And a fourth quarter. Put back. No. Wala pa rin. 113-30. Score natin. 1 minute and 3 seconds. Stop and pop. Eric. Bang! 116-30. 50 seconds. Number 10. Ayun, final score na tayo. 116-30. Panalo ang Team Bullets kontra. Panalo ang Team Bullets kontra Team Brothers. 116-30. Final score. Grabe yung lamang dito ng Team Bullets kontra Team Brothers Senior A Division. Ayun, nagandito na lang. Maraming salamat mga idol. Final score, 116-30. Ayun, nagandito na lang. Thanks for watching. Ayun, bukas ulit mga idol. Asa bumubuo ng Grand Basketball Intercommercial. Shoutout sa inyo mga idol. Ayun. Bola! Nagandito na lang. At huwag niyong kalimutan i-follow si Wong TV. Final score, 116-30. Ayun, thanks for watching mga idol. Maraming salamat. Thanks for watching. God bless.